What's up, lads? Welcome back. Happy New Year. If you haven't got a New Year's resolution yet, make sure it's to subscribe to the channel. Today we're going to be doing the 280 front end conversion, and Liam is here all the way from the sand. He's finally going to be able to open up his own parcel. What's that feel like? Ordering. You know you're spending money now. Normally you just sending it to me and I open them. Right, so what we'll do first is we'll get the front end off. Do you think?
Yeah,
Should we take the front end apart?
Yeah, we'll take the front end off and then we'll offer this up and see how it fits.
Yeah, rather than undoing the box and getting all the parts out now, take the front end apart and then we can show you where everything's going to go.
Oh no! Got breakthrough. Cracked. These parts that you just brought back, haven't brought back from fucking...
They are safe. Alright, so front end's off. That's pretty easy. There's only them two lights and the front splitter. Oh, not that one. This one. So we'll open the box now. I'll let Liam open his present to himself from Santa.
Yeah, I just want to say a massive shout out to Ben at Skilled, sorting me out with this, because he did me a massive deal. And with me being in Saudi, I can only speak to him over Instagram. So huge thanks for him for sorting that out. So let's see what's in here. So these are front mud guards. Go up inside. Very nice quality. Oh yes. Oh yes.
It's the money shot, mate.
Oh. This is what we like.
You gotta do the honours.
Offer it up. That way. Yeah, leave the brackets on. Oh, so much better.
Did he do them in like a chrome as well, did he?
Yeah. Yeah, so these, I've had this one powder coated. The other ones come, you can have them factory sealed. What else we got in here? Oh my god. Masses and masses of parts.
Centre console.
Oh, here it is, isn't it? Yeah. I forgot what I ordered, to be honest. Side steps.
Right, so we've got grill and these plates which sit behind the bumper, so they sort of go behind there somehow.
Yeah, they got to bend around.
And then the light bolts in. So first job will be mounting them before we can mount the bumper onto the car. This stuff, centre console, we'll do that in another episode, or we might leave it until, what do you reckon, engine change, because the gear stick gets in the way, doesn't it?
Yeah, so don't want to put that in and bash that up.
So yeah, we'll probably leave that until we've swapped the engine anyway. But let's go on with fitting the lights in this. Alright, so now is the fun bit where we've got to fit that brand new part onto that 40-year-old twisted piece of metal, as we've just found out. So we're going to bolt it on with these corner pieces, but we have these plates from Skillard
Yeah.
where
These.
they've got studs on already, and they just fit where the old dam would have fitted. So they just bend around like that, and they'll just bolt through this bumper on the bottom. So we've just got to mark out on the bumper where the holes are going to be drilled, and then that's that part fitted, mate.
Yeah.
Right, so we took the arches off so we can see how this mounts up, because there's a hole under here that we need to bolt into through that, and then these two holes here need to get drilled through that, but because it's holding most of the weight, we don't want to drill it too close to the top, so we're trying to get a good fit on that. And then it's only them 3 bolts either side that hold it on, and then we're going to tie in with the grill. We're having some issues with the grill where these are probably a little bit twisted, so we're going to have to make up our own brackets, but then we can tie the grill in to the bumper to make it all a bit stronger. Alright, so that's the bumper fitted. Now we've had to fit it with just these 2 bolts at the minute, because as with anything doing aftermarket stuff, this is too thick to work with this indicator and the bumper. So what we'll probably have to do is, if we'll trim this down to make it say like an inch smaller, and then that'll fit in that gap, because if you hold it up at the minute, it's just way too thick to fit in there. So it's not a drama, happens all the time when you're using different companies' parts. Obviously they can't all make pieces that work with each other, so we'll just make it work to our car anyway. So what we're going to do now is trim up the bumper and get it ready for paint, because we're going to have to paint that black today as well. Alright, so that is the lip or bumper with some primer on, and then got the black ready in the gun. Give it a couple of coats of black, and then we'll let it dry, and we'll give it 2 or 3 coats of lacquer, let that dry, and then it'll be ready to go in the car. Right, so while I've been painting that, Liam has been fitting this grill. Now what we've had to do is make these brackets, because for whatever reason, probably this car has been in a bit of a bump in the past, is this bracket is pushed over that way, so the gap between where it normally mounts on this grill is too far apart. So we're going to put these 2 tabs on, and then we can just centre the grill where we want it and just bolt it in using the standard hardware.
Oh, man. Oh.
You can't really see the grill on this though on the video. You know what I mean? But it looks fucking nice. Good afternoon's work, mate.
Hang on.
Alright, so that's going to be it for this one. The wife's already left 2 missed calls, so she's going to be on me. Make sure your post notifications are turned on, and I'll see you next week for some more JDM goodness.